This is how too many thoughts, confusion, fear, and dependency spins around your life all the time. The mind is a vessel of infinite depth. With it, you can reflect, realize, and transcend. But when the mind is unclear, cloudy, you lose awareness, creativity, happiness, even longevity. And when life is caught in the whirlpool of illusion, it not only blinds you to life's beauty, it also robs your light, leaving you burned out, dissatisfied, and trapped, without vision in the endless rat race of the modern world. Therefore, you lose focus, and of course, you lose peace of mind. Beyond that whirlpool lies the horizon of joy. Through Vajraprana meditation, the mind can settle. Overwhelming thoughts release their hold. Emotional clutter clears. Stress dissolves. Happiness flowers through the soul. So sometimes you need to take a break, calm down to improve the clarity of mind. Only then real joy emerges. This is about awakening to your true essence, rediscovering yourself pure, radiant, infinite, significant.